Hey, garden lovers. Did you know that a small basket of tomatoes at the store can cost you $4 or more? But what if I told you, for less than that? Yep, under $5, you could grow your own juicy, fresh tomatoes right at home, even in a small container on your balcony or doorstep. Let me show you how to turn just a few coins into a mini tomato jungle. Let's go. Okay, first things first, containers. No need to buy fancy pots. Use anything that holds soil. An old paint bucket, plastic bowl, a big water bottle. Just make sure it has holes at the bottom for drainage. Tomatoes hate soggy feet, aka roots. Pro tip, use a knife or screwdriver to poke 4 to 6 holes at the bottom. That's it. You've got a pot. Tomatoes need space to grow, so aim for a container that's at least 12 inches deep. Think, big enough to hold a basketball. The deeper, the better. More room for roots equals bigger, stronger plants. You can also grow tomatoes vertically to save space. Stack pots, hang baskets, or even grow in old buckets stacked on top of each other. Tomato tower. Anyone? Now for the dirt. Use a small bag of basic potting mix, about $3 or less. No garden soil, please. It's too heavy for containers. Want bonus points? Add a little compost or old manure if you've got some. Don't worry, just a handful is enough. It'll give your tomatoes the boost they need. And if you're feeling extra fancy, add a tiny bit of slow-release fertilizer. But it's optional. Let's plant those tomatoes. You can buy a small tomato seedling from a local store or nursery, usually under $2. Or grab a packet of tomato seeds for about $1 and start them at home. Dig a hole in the middle of your pot. Pop the seedling in, or sow 2 to 3 seeds if you're starting from scratch. Gently cover with soil and pat it down like you're tucking it in for bed. Water it gently and give it a little love. Tomatoes love the sun. Make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Put your pot near a window, on a sunny porch, or in the yard. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, not every day. Too much water equals sad. Droopy tomatoes. Too little equals shriveled leaves. So keep it balanced. Like watering a pet plant. Tomatoes like to climb. They're not couch potatoes. Grab some sticks, bamboo, or old mop handles and stick them in the pot. Tie the plant gently to the stick using string or twine. Boom! Instant tomato support system. No need to buy a fancy cage. DIY is the way to grow. After a few weeks, you'll see flowers, then tiny green tomatoes. Then boom! Red, juicy tomatoes ready to pick. Harvest when they're bright red and slightly soft to the touch. Just twist and pluck. Eat them fresh, throw them in a salad, or show them off to your friends. Want more tomatoes? Pick regularly and the plant will keep giving. And just like that, you've grown tomatoes in a pot for under $5. How cool is that? All you need, a container, white heavy checkmark. Some soil, white heavy checkmark. A tomato seedling or seeds, white heavy checkmark. Sunshine, water, and a little love. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more gardening magic. And drop a comment if you've grown tomatoes before or plan to try it. Happy growing, and enjoy those tomatoes.